Helps keep drive belt at correct tension to help maintain proper function. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. Manufactured to GMOE specification for fit, form, and function. Meticulously tested to be free of manufacturing defects in materials and craftsmanship. ACDelco 125730024 GM original equipment drive, belt tensioner. Top reviews from the United States. Good part. I liked the part but I ordered the wrong one and I will order again, thank you. GM parts are good.